So this past summer at Boeing, my main work was in data visualization and software, mainly using Python. So what we did was we took in large sets of data, either flight data or engine decks, and made visualizations, graphs based on those data so that we can analyze trends and things like that. So maybe making a heat map or a surface plot or just a regular 2D plot. Just different ways that we can actually make use of the data. And in addition, with my integrated product team, we were in charge of organizing the final meeting or the banquet, and we spent a lot of time figuring out catering and the different activities that we would do as our last day in the internship. So what this really helped, or what I really learned, was the teamwork, because my mentor work, the data visualization, we did in a group of 4. So I learned how to really work well with them. And my product team, we were a team of 7. So organizing the banquet was also a team activity. And then I think this will shape my future career, because it really got me more interested in software and programming. So I think that's something that I'll look to pursue in the future.